Hello friends, welcome to our educational channel. Today we will practice 20 easy English sentence with their Odia meaning. These are simple and fun to learn. So grab your notebook and let's get started. Let's begin with your greeting and introductions. This sentence will help you start a conversation. Hello, how are you? Namaskar. आपण केमिति अछंती? I am fine. मु भलो अछि. What is your name? तुमरो नाम कोन? My name is Rahul. मोर नाम राहुल. Now let's learn some polite expression. Please give me the book. दयाकरी मते पुस्तक दियो. Thank you very much. आपनको अधिक धन्यवाद. Sorry I am late. दयाकरी क्षमा करंतु मु विलंब हो गली. Excuse me, can you help me? मते क्षमा करंतु आपण सहयोग करि पारिबे कि? Next, here are some simple question you can ask. Where is my bag? मोर बैग केउठारे? What time is it? केते बेଳ ହେଲା? Can I play outside? मु बाहर खेली पारिबी कि? Do you like chocolates? तुमे चॉकलेट पसंद करो? Let's move on the some sentence about your daily routine. I woke up at 6 o'clock. मु छोटा बेଳ रे उठे. I brush my teeth every day. मु प्रतिदिन मो दांत घसे. I go to school in the morning. मु सकाळे स्कूल को जाए. I do my homework in the evening. मु संध्यारे मो होमवर्क करे. Now let's learn how to talk about what you like or don't like. I like mangoes. मु आंबो पसंद करे. I don't like milk. मु क्षीर पसंद करूनी. I love to play cricket. मु क्रिकेट खेलबा को भलो पाए. I don't like rainy days. मु वर्षा दिन को पसंद करूनी. Great job. Practice this sentence every day to improve your English. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more fun and educational video. See you next time. Bye bye.